Thanks for joining me on another journey. Today we're in downtown San Francisco. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey.
Hold on when you need a friend, I'll never let you go again. Reach out when your mind's uneasy, 'cause I'll understand. Hold on when you need a friend, I'll stay here to the end. Get up, don't hang your head with.
Where are we at?
We are at the Taraval Cafe in San Francisco. Very cool.
Alright guys, if you're in downtown San Francisco and you want some breakfast, I definitely recommend coming and checking out new Taraval Cafe. Steve is the owner. Tell him Wayne from Go Travel on the Cheap sent you. You won't be disappointed.
Yeah? It was delicious, huh?
It was.
What'd you like about it?
The herbs that were in the eggs and the sausage was absolutely amazing.
And I had the French toast.
Yep.
With the bacon. The bacon was good.
Yeah.
French toast was pretty good too.
Let's go get some warm clothes on. It's freezing out here. San Francisco and not jump on a cable car. That's the real tourist thing to do.
Oh yeah. I've never ever done it before.
What?
Have you?
No, I've never done it.
Yeah. So you gotta do it.
Alright, you gotta do that one.
Rice-a-Roni, a San Francisco treat. Such a dork. I had to do it.
Fell inside. Now I'm living in a matchbox. All this time, all it needed was a little spark. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your hand. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your hand.
Yep.
There you go. It's like Get Smart.
Going potty, bye-bye.
I think it's like the ICU,
Yeah.
Market Deli, and ice cream.
All right. We had to go on a little bit of adventure to go find some ice cream and found some awesome inexpensive sandwich as well in San Francisco. Oh, April hit up on the Yelp and took us to definitely not the tourist side of San Francisco, but it's all okay. You gotta have an adventure, and you want to see how everybody lives when you come to San Francisco, even the homeless.
Well, sometimes that's where you gotta go to get the best, you know?
Right? What do you think about the ice cream?
Oh my god, it's so good. Caramel praline.
Isn't it praline?
Praline?
Yeah.
Yes, thank you. You're welcome. On the blue circle, let this lady out first.
Oh, sorry. No problem. Pier 39, right?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Let's see if you can pick it up.
Ha ha ha.
Come on, go for 4. Go for 4.
Oh my god.
There you go.
That's all. That was more. That was a full 3. Oh.
We're gonna put you in weightlifting competitions. All right, guys, I'm on a boat. Once again, this time downtown San Francisco. We're on the Red and White Fleet Tour. We're gonna go see the Golden Gate Bridge and the Alcatraz.
Take everything we got, give it an honest shot, turning it on and off, we've been sliding, riding the highest dream, keeping the fire real, I call for you. Hold your gun, cut the wire, aim for fun, with a light your fire. I've been flying up the ceiling, taken by this feeling, maybe we're invisible at last. Fueling every engine, power is descending, baby we're invisible. Over the coming days, let's cut to the chase. We're gonna beat this maze, let's go deeper. I wanna reach it all, taking a leap of faith.
Hi, so I'm Allison Ochoa and I'm with the Aquarium of the Bay in San Francisco, and we are out here at K-Dock on Pier 39 with the sea lions. Right here I have some fur. These 2 are going to be from the California sea lions that you'll see out here. This one's from one of the Pacific Harbor seals, and what you're going to see out here is 90% male, so these darker ones, and they'll actually darken as they get older. Our females like to stay in Southern California with the warm water so they can raise their pups out there. So you're going to see the guys out here because there's lots of food, plenty of space for them to hang out in.
Thank you. We got it going on now. All right, they're gonna box each other. They enter the ring. They're gonna spar. Oh, takes a blow to the face. Oh, he gets knocked out. Just walking around. But I just wanted to talk to you about every week I'm going to pick out a new adventure from somebody that wants to send in a couple clips from their most recent journey. So the one I like the best is the one that's going to go on my next week's clip.
Hold your gun, cut the wire, aim for fun, with a light your fire. I've been flying up the ceiling, taken by this feeling, maybe we're invisible at last. Fueling every engine, power is descending, maybe we're invisible. Hold your gun.
You see something you like, regular price $1 million. Right here, right now, I'm asking for only $10, guys. Any painting on the floor. Paint is what I do it right now, different
We're
price.
going to jump on a, what do you call this, a trike?
Pedicab.
Pedicab. What's your name?
Andrew.
Andrew? All right, Andrew. You're not going to kill us, are you?
Not until the end, at least.
Okay, cool.
Hop on. All right, let's roll.
Let's roll.
All right, cool.
Thanks, man.
y'all.
You guys have a good one.
Yeah, you folks too. Enjoy.
Later. We're here at Coit Tower, walking up the millions of stairs to get to the top.
Oh yeah.
Check this out.
Feel the burn.
I've been flying off the ceiling, taken by this feeling, baby we're invisible. I've been flying off the ceiling, and maybe we're invisible.
So we made it up to Coit Tower, went up there and talked to the information desk. We decided we were not going to spend the $9 a person to go up and see it, and also the wait was about 45 minutes, and quite frankly, we just don't have enough time before we have to get on that airplane and go back to work. Things to do when I'm in a different town or a city is just to walk around and experience the architecture, the culture of wherever I'm at, whether it's here in San Francisco or somewhere other part of the world. Yeah, you can always jump on a bus and get the culture that way as well, but just good old-fashioned walking's always the best. Do you brave going out in California rush hour traffic to go across the Golden Gate Bridge? Why, of course. Check it out. Not that way.
I know. I'm working on it.
You might have to roll down the window. Thank you for watching my video all the way to the end. If you would, hit that subscribe button, share it with a friend, and thank you for living life.
Yeah.